There's a certain feeling you get from your home. It's a gentle breeze on your face, a special glint in your eye. And a fire in here could be devastating to you and your home. But there's an easy fix by installing new photoelectric smoke alarms, which are smarter, alert you earlier, and save lives. And there's some new laws requiring all homes to have interconnected photoelectric smoke alarms by 2027. Now that might sound a long way off, but there are some things you need to do right now. Keep your smoke alarms sparkling clean and test them today. If they don't work, or if they're more than 10 years old, it's time to renovate. The law says you have to get rid of those dusty old machines. Install these instead. This is an Australian standard 3786-2014 photoelectric smoke alarm. These little beauties come with a 10-year non-removable battery. However, if your smoke alarms are already hardwired to the building's power supply, you're going to have to get the sparky out. And doing that keeps your average owner-occupier on the right side of the law. For now. But there's a few extra things you'll need to do in the coming years to keep you compliant and keep you safe. These extras include installing your smoke alarms in every bedroom and connecting hallways, or if there is no hallway, in a nearby open area, on every level. And if there are no bedrooms on a level, installing an alarm on the most likely path of escape. Then they should be interconnected, so when one alarm sounds, they all do. It's a great feature, available hardwired or wireless. And it means everyone is alerted as soon as a fire starts. Now, strictly speaking, you don't need to have these extra features in place until the end of 2026. But we think you should choose all these smart options well before the deadline. It's a great way to ensure you and your loved ones are safe. And it's the only way to keep within the law. Now, for investment properties, new builds, or substantial renos, or when selling a home, the compliance deadlines are different. To make it all a little clearer, check out the QFES website and give your home the safe and modern improvements it truly needs.